Hey Jenny, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I got to speak to Ruben, who thought you would be interested in this video I'm about to show you. I'm just going to show you a few tips that you can apply right away so that you have better visibility in your service area and can get more leads. So here we are on your website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which is perfect. That's exactly what you need to have. Let's see, coverage area. Okay, so all of Northern California and Southern California. So you cover the entire state. Okay, so you guys are gonna need to have different pages for each of your service areas, at least all of the major service areas in California, so that you're going to be able to rank those keywords and be found for those services in each of those areas. Looking at your home page, this looks more like a landing page. Does have a little bit of content, but in order for your website to rank and for you to have the visibility and customers to find you organically, your homepage needs to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words focused on those buyer intent keywords in your area. Buyer intent keywords are the words that people are actively searching when they have those emergencies and they need your services. They may not know the name of your business, but they know the problem that they're having, and that's what they're going to be researching. And so those are the keywords that you need to focus on. And you're going to have to do the same thing with all of your pages. Each of these pages need to focus on those buyer intent keywords and to have enough content to go after those keywords. And that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Google does not rank your site based on appearance. They have these little robots that go out and search the internet and index every single one of these pages, going through your content to pull out those keywords so they can rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. This is one of the major competitors in the Los Angeles area, Restorers. And this is their website. As you can see, they also have separate pages for each of their services. They also have more content. They don't have enough content on their homepage, but they do have some content. And they do have a couple location pages in some of their major areas. So you're going to have to do the same thing. But since you're covering most of California, you're going to need a lot more pages. Probably can't list every city, but you should have all of your major cities and each of the counties that you're servicing. This is a program called Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your domain rating, which is your entire website, has a rating of a 1.8 out of 100, which says that Google doesn't have any trust in your website. And that's 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You don't have enough backlinks, and they're not great quality backlinks. So not all backlinks are created equal. You need highly authoritative backlinks that are related to your services, and they need to be do follow backlinks. And you need a lot more of them than your top competitors in every single one of your service areas. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you're only being indexed for 110 keywords. And so you're only getting organic traffic throughout all of California of only 498 people on average every month. And there is tens of thousands in search volume in the state of California. So you guys are really missing out on a ton of volume and potential customers. Your website is 70% of your organic leads. So until that's optimized, you're going to be missing out on a big chunk of those leads. Um, Restorers, they only have a 4.2 rating and they have 540 backlinks. So again, this just goes to show you that not all backlinks are created equal. That's a lot of backlinks to have such a poor score. So in addition, it looks like almost all their backlinks are pointed to their homepage, which is okay, but it's not doing anything for their service pages, and their service areas. So your backlinks need to tie to your keywords and those pages as well as the homepage. And in addition, you're going to need more backlinks and better quality. Because they have a lot more pages, they have 785 index keywords, and they're generating over 500 in traffic on average every month. So they're not getting too much more traffic than you guys are, but you have the potential for a lot more just because of your service area being all throughout the state. Now, what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this backlink is to your service and your industry, the more authority it's going to give you and the higher it's going to boost you in the rankings. And if they are do follow instead of no follow, they will also share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to boost even further in the ranks in Google. And then it's important to remember that these backlinks work with your keywords. So you need to make sure that you're using the backlinks with your keywords so you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services. And the last thing I want to talk about is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for every one of your service areas and major keywords, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3, you're giving all those leads to your competition. And in order to get in the top 3, there's many factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow these tips that I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your service areas and keywords. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, you can take the information I provided you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. SEO is our specialty, so if you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you don't want to have to worry about it, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.